Welcome to Theme Park Films, where we talk about all the information you need about roller coasters. And today, we will be drawing Runaway Mine Train at Six Flags Great Adventure. And the reason why I made this video is because no one ever made a video like this on YouTube. So, here we go. I'm going to draw Runaway Mine Train at Six Flags Great Adventure. And this roller coaster is located in the Frontier Adventures section of the park. So, it's in the very back of the park. You can take the Skyway from Lakefront to Frontier Adventures. And at the end, I'm just going to color it in, and you'll see how you make a drawing come to life with a little touch of color. A fun fact about this ride, it opened with the park in 1974. And here you have the Runaway Mine Train at Six Flags Great Adventure. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more videos like this. And I will be doing some more drawing videos like this.